the entrance to the building. This is the walk-in entrance. This is the lobby where we have a reception desk and a sofa. This is the residential lift going from second cellar to terrace. This is the steps for the residential flats. These are a couple of guest rooms for people in the flat to use. We have guest rooms and attached bathrooms. So every floor has 300 SFT of amenity space. Ground floor we have lobby, first floor we have guest rooms. On the second floor we have multi-purpose room for small parties and gatherings. And then on the third floor we have the residential flats, third, fourth and fifth. Each floor we have 4 flats, 2 east facing flats and 2 west facing flats. This is the east facing flat. This is the entrance and this is the reception living area. Then we have the kitchen and the utility. This is the puja room and this is the fridge point. And this is the master bedroom and attached bathroom. Every bathroom we have finished it with tiles till the top. Then we have an 80 feet balcony, 80 SFT balcony, where the view is of the highway. Then we have the second bedroom and an attached bathroom. Then we have a common wash basin point. Then the third bedroom and attached bathroom. So all 3 bathrooms are attached to the bedrooms. The entire flat is laid with 4x2 tiles. All the bathrooms have epoxy grouting done as well. The main door is a teak main door, 1 3/4 inch, and the rest of the doors are from NCL. That is the east facing flat. We have 2 per floor. This is the west facing flat. This is the main living area. This is the dining area. This is an open kitchen which is only there in the west facing flats. Then we have a smaller balcony here. And from this balcony we can see the garden area. This is the puja room. And this is the master bedroom. And the attached bathroom. This is the second bedroom. Attached bathroom. This is the third bedroom and the attached bathroom. On the third floor we have a gym in the common amenities area. This is the gym space. On the fourth floor we have an indoor game room. We'll have a foosball table and a table tennis table here. On the fifth floor we have a home theater, 20-seater home theater. Since all the soundproofing is done, just need to put the seating. The lift which comes to the terrace. We have a walking track on the terrace along the parapet wall. This is the view from the terrace. The walking track is along the parapet wall. Can be used for outdoor gatherings again. This is an emergency staircase which goes from the terrace to the ground floor. This can be used in case